You may be eating clean and making what you think are healthy food choices, but if you're still feeling tired, bloated, sluggish, and sick after you eat, then you need to hear this message. There is a hidden ingredient that is sabotaging your health and stealing your energy. It has been hiding in plain sight all along, and most people don't know how to identify it. But once you become aware of it, you can remove it from your diet and immediately begin to experience more energy, sharper focus, and improved digestion. You won't need complicated diets or supplements. The answer is so simple yet so overlooked. In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly what this one ingredient is, why it makes you feel sick, and most importantly, what you can do to eliminate it from your diet so that you can finally start feeling great again. If you're ready to take back control of your health and feel amazing naturally, then keep watching because by the end of this video, you're going to discover how to feel 100% better after you eat. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to understand is that there are certain types of food that make you feel sick because they have been stripped of their nutrients and replaced with unhealthy ingredients. For example, you may notice that you feel bloated and lethargic after eating a sandwich or salad. And that is because many of these seemingly healthy options are secretly loaded with unhealthy ingredients that make you feel this way. The main culprit is a type of fat called industrial seed oils. These highly processed vegetable oils like soy, corn, cottonseed, canola, and sunflower oil are commonly used in the manufacturing of bread, salad dressings, and other processed foods. Although they may not be visible on the ingredient list, these factory-made oils can account for over half of the calories in some products. And even if you aren't eating any obviously junk or fast foods, you could still be consuming significant amounts of them without realizing it. That's because these seed oils are also often found in packaged snacks, frozen meals, coffee creamers, margarine, and even some natural-sounding granola bars and protein bars. These industrial seed oils are made from highly processed and genetically modified grains. They undergo extreme heat and chemical treatments to extract the oil from the seeds. And in the refining process, they are stripped of most of their original nutrients. What remains is an unhealthy, inflammatory fat that has been altered so much that our bodies don't even recognize it. As a result, when we consume these oils, our bodies can react negatively, leading to feelings of tiredness, bloating, and sickness. But you may be wondering, I thought seed oils were supposed to be healthy. After all, many popular brands claim they use them to make their products. Well, the truth is that although these oils are technically derived from plants, they have been so heavily processed that they no longer resemble their natural form. In fact, they have been stripped of almost all their nutritional value and contain high levels of inflammatory omega-6 fatty acids. Overconsumption of these omega-6 fatty acids can cause inflammation in the body, which can lead to feelings of tiredness, lethargy, and discomfort. Not only that, but industrial seed oils are typically high in what are known as oxalates. Oxalates are compounds that can bind to minerals like calcium in the body, forming hard-to-digest crystals. These crystals can accumulate in the joints and other tissues, potentially contributing to inflammation and pain. Additionally, the high levels of saturated fat in many of these seed oils can also contribute to feelings of fullness and sleepiness after consuming them. This is because they slow down the emptying of the stomach, which can lead to a feeling of being stuffed and uncomfortable. And let's not forget about the impact these oils can have on your gut health. Seed oils often contain high levels of polyunsaturated fats, which are unstable and can easily go bad. When consumed, they can wreak havoc on your gut microbiome and digestive system. This disruption can lead to feelings of bloating, indigestion, and even more serious gut-related issues. In fact, research suggests that regular consumption of industrial seed oils may even alter the composition of gut bacteria, potentially leading to imbalances and digestive problems. To make matters worse, many seed oils like canola, cottonseed, and corn oil are also highly allergenic. This means that they can trigger allergic reactions in some people, leading to symptoms like hives, itching, and even difficulty breathing. So if you've noticed these negative effects after consuming certain breads, salads, or processed foods, it's likely due to the harmful seed oils lurking in those dishes. By continuing to eat them, you're essentially poisoning your own body and preventing it from feeling its best. Now that you know how dangerous and widespread seed oils are, here's the good news. Simply swapping them out for natural, wholesome fats can make a world of difference in how you feel. When you replace seed oils with healthier fat sources, you provide your body with the nourishment it needs to thrive. Creamy avocado, golden olive oil, and real butter are excellent alternatives that not only taste delicious, but also offer essential nutrients. These natural fats support optimal bodily functions, improve nutrient absorption, and promote healthy aging. Let us look at each one of these wholesome fats that will actually nourish your body and make you feel energized and satisfied. First, we have creamy avocado. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties. This means that avocados can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially easing symptoms like joint pain and fatigue. Not only that, but avocados also contain essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, potassium, and magnesium, which play vital roles in energy production and overall health. Additionally, the fiber content in avocados can help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing energy crash and promoting a feeling of fullness. This makes avocados a great addition to salads, sandwiches, or as a healthy snack, helping you feel nourished and satisfied without the harmful effects of seed oils. Next, we have golden olive oil. Olive oil is another excellent source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. It is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, particularly in its extra virgin form. These compounds have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help protect the body against cellular damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating olive oil into your diet, such as in cooking, salad dressings, or simply drizzled over your meals, can provide numerous health benefits. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate digestive discomfort and promote healthy skin. Additionally, olive oil can aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, D, and E, ensuring your body gets the most out of your nutritious foods. Lastly, we have real butter. Butter made from grass-fed cows is a rich source of saturated fats, which have been demonized in recent years. However, when sourced from healthy animals, these fats are perfectly safe and nutritious for humans to consume. Real butter contains conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects in the body. This can help reduce inflammation associated with various conditions, including digestive issues. Moreover, butter is a good source of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A and D, which are essential for maintaining strong bones and a healthy immune system. By replacing seed oils with grass-fed butter, you can enjoy its rich flavor while providing your body with essential nutrients. Use it in cooking, spread it on whole grain bread, and savor the taste of quality. In conclusion, by making this simple swap from seed oils to wholesome fats like avocado, olive oil, and butter, you can immediately begin to experience the difference in how you feel. Removing seed oils from your diet can lead to increased energy, reduced inflammation, and improved digestion. Remember, it's not about strict dieting or depriving yourself. It's about making one powerful change that can transform your health and well-being. If you've already tried cutting out seed oils and want to share your success story, please comment below. Your experience can inspire others on their own health journeys. And if you're just starting out, know that every small step counts. Don't wait any longer to take back control of your health and feel amazing naturally. Start today and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. And for those looking to deepen their knowledge on holistic health and nutrition, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week covering a wide range of topics that can help you on your journey to wellness. Thank you for watching, and remember, you have the power to heal yourself.